Hi everyone, this is Nakia from Medical Awesome, and in this video I'll be talking about the process for getting attestation of the statement of need. And you're probably wondering, why do I need to do this? So if you go to the statement of need process for India, it takes you to this website which tells you all of the instructions in this link, and then this is where the link takes you. So it says that the applicants staying abroad or applying from abroad shall sign the surety bond on a plain paper and get it attested from the concerned Indian consulate. So basically, if you're outside of India while you're doing this process, you need to do this. But if you are doing this from India, you don't even need to watch this video or do any of these steps. So so the first step is to find out which state, which jurisdiction does your state fall under for the Consulate General of India. So you basically Google it, and it takes you to this website, which tells you which states are included for which embassy. So you basically just find out which embassy you go to. And then the process is very similar for all embassies in the sense that there's a miscellaneous form that you need to fill. There is this application form that you need to attach like a cover letter, and then attach the documents and send it. And it's super simple. So this is the cover letter that I wrote for Atlanta Embassy because South Florida, where I'm doing my residency, falls under Atlanta Embassy. And I'll be sharing a link to this letter so you have it and you can use it as well. So basically, the cover letter says that I need a J-1 visa and that I want the attestation for the statement of need application. So the things that I attach with the cover letter are the miscellaneous application form, the money order. So it varies from embassy to embassy. Some embassies have an online payment application, and then the others you just have to make a money order. Um, I did attach my notarized copy of the passport, the US visa, I-94, and DS-2019. And then I also attached the US driving license or a utility bill. This is either or as a residence or an address proof. You can also attach like your lease, water bill, electricity bill. There are like a number of documents you can use to give the address proof. Um, so what was unique to the Atlanta embassy for me was that the statement of need application needed to be notarized as well. So basically, she said that whichever page I wanted the attestation on should be notarized. So I got the page 4 notarized because that's where my signature is and that's where I need them to attest. And the page 8, which is over here. Yeah, this is it. Sorry. So I got those two notarized as well. But that was I think that was actually unique to the Atlanta embassy, because I have friends who did it at other embassies and they did not have this requirement. And then you have to attach a notarized copy of your offer letter and a prepaid mailing envelope so that they can return all of your documents in this mailing envelope. Um, so for the rest of the video, I'm actually going to be talking about the process for the Atlanta embassy. Um, and for people who have their states that fall under a different embassy, I don't think the rest of the video will be really relevant to them. So basically, I clicked on the link for the Atlanta embassy and it took me to their website. And the way I found where to look for the attestation is consular services, miscellaneous services, and then attestation of documents. Now, if you click on the statement of need part of it, it just tells you that you need to apply for the statement of need from the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare in India. So that makes sense. Um, so when you click on the attestation of documents, they ask you to download the miscellaneous application form, which is a very straightforward form. You just paste your picture here, and then you kind of fill out the application. Now, when I was filling out my application, I had a few questions. They weren't clear on how much application fee was required, because the page actually tells it's a $10 application fee and then $10 for every other document. So I was not sure if, because I wanted this signature at two places, should I be sending them $20 or $10? So I had a question about that. And then I also had a question that should I be sending my original passport or not? So I basically called them. And if you look at the Google reviews for the Consulate General of India in Atlanta, and if you look at the call spot, they say everybody says that they never, ever, ever pick up. Um, so I called them a number of times, and I probably thought that they will not, I mean, they did not pick up either. I also emailed them. And then when I called them, I actually left a voicemail asking them to call me back. And they actually did, which was pretty great. And they clarified all of my questions that I had. So they actually told me that I do not need to send the original passport, and that the application fee for the statement of need was $30, which was not mentioned on the website at all. So when you apply, make sure you call the embassy and ask them about their current requirements. They change every year, so it's best to call them before you send your application. Of course, you want to email them and also call them and leave a voice message, because you never know which form they will get back to you. I had friends who um, applied at different embassies, and some said that they emailed them back, some said that they called them back. So it just varies from embassy to embassy. Um, so good luck on the process, and congratulations for matching. I will definitely be making more videos on how to how to create the statement of need application for fellowship, and so that it's helpful for future applicants as well. All right, stay awesome.